2011, paper 1, question 12, you are told the three vertices of a parallelogram PQRS are P minus 1, 2, Q 8 minus 5, and R 5, 0. On the grid provided below, draw the parallelogram PQRS. So a grid of 10 centimeter by 8 centimeter was provided. So you can, if you are using a graph paper, you can use that kind of a graph, 10 centimeter by 8 centimeter. Remember, 1 unit is 1 centimeter, so that's what you need. So we are told to draw, and B, determine the length of the diagonal QS. So let's start from here. We are going to plot our graph. So that is, so we are using 2, this is 4, this is 6, this is 8, and this is our x-axis. Then we have 2, we have 4, and we have 6, that is our y-axis. This is minus 2, minus 4. Then we have minus 2, minus 4, and minus 6. Can have minus 6 there. So let's plot P. P is minus 1, 2. So minus 1, 2 will be that point. So that is where we have our P. Then we have Q is 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5 will be there. So that is our Q. Then we have our R, which is 5, 0. Our R is 5, 0. 5, 0. That is our R. So the point that is remaining is point S. And how do we get point S? So our point S must be lying up there. And we can do that. To move from Q to R, we move 2 units, 3 units against the x-axis, and 5 units along the y-axis. So we move 3 units up to where we have 4, and 5 units, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our S is there. So with those 4 points, we can join and come up with a parallelogram. So this is a parallelogram that we have come up with, and with that we can be able now to move to part B of the question. If you have used the right scale, then you can measure QS, and with the right scale, QS will give you 8.5 centimeter. And remember, we had used a scale of 1:2, so you multiply by 2. This means that QS should be 17 centimeter, the actual length. That is by applying the scale. So that is how you do that question, and you get yourself 3